Okay, talking about direct variation. So let's say y varies directly with x, for example. It's also sometimes written as, instead of that language, y is directly, this is the other way it's sometimes written, directly proportional to x. So when we get those statements, that means that y will equal, like, proportional, so it'll be proportional to a constant times x. So the basic equation to model this would be y equals k times x. K is a constant, so I shouldn't have that there. I should just have the proportional statement. K is a constant, and y will equal the constant times x. So it's like having, if it varies directly, so the main word in all of these, you notice, is directly. So it's direct variation. So if you're looking at that, varies directly, so it's directly proportional. So when you are directly proportional, that means you're a multiple of it. So you could be 2 times bigger, or half as big, or 3 times bigger. Okay, so we're just going to look at a question on this. So m varies directly with r. So straight away that's m equals k times r. So kr. If m equals 40 when r equals 5, find k, the constant of proportionality. So m is equal to 40. So put that into this side of the formula. When k equals, we don't know what k is, when r equals 5. So that r is 5 and m is 40. Okay, so what we've done now for that one is we put the 5 into that side of the formula for the r. So now to find exactly what k is, if you just put it over 5, or you divide by 5, k will equal 8. Now find m when r is equal to 12. Okay, so that means that you have m equals 8 times r. So m would be 8 times 12, and 12 eighths will be 96. Okay, so let's find r when m is 28. So m is k times r. M is 28. K is 8 times r. So now to find r on this one, you just got to divide by 8. So r is equal to 28 on 8, which would be 14 on 4, which will be 7 on 2, or 3.5. Okay, and this is the HSC question 2020, the last year, at the moment anyway, because it's 2021 at the moment. The weight of a bundle of A4 paper varies directly with the number of sheets. So the weight varies directly with the number of sheets. Okay, so what else have we got here? So they're giving you the relationship there, that's good. Now they're going to give you some information. So when you have 500 sheets, it weighs 2.5 kilos. It's kind of important. So when you have 500 sheets, then the weight would be 2.5 kilos. You can see that from that statement there. Might just underline it so you can see it. 500 sheets, 2.5 kilos. That means in place of the W, you're going to put 2.5 equals K times, and in place of the N, you're going to put 500. Okay, so now we need to, that's 500K, we need to get K by itself. So you could swap the two sides. 500K is 2.5. divide by 500, divide by 500. And that means that the 500s cancel out and k equals 2.5 over 500, which simplifies 1 on 200 or 0.005.